So here is the before of my model, and here is me getting started. So the very first thing that I did is I divided the back into two parts, the right side and the left side. So I took a center section straight down the middle back. Then I took an A-line section on each side, which I combed that hair down to establish my outline, which you can see right now that I am cutting. That outline is going to be the guide for the rest of the haircut when it comes to the length. We'll have a new guide when it comes to the layers, but for now you can see I'm just combing the next section down, using the section underneath as my guide and establishing that length. And I'm going to do this all the way to the top of the head on both sides. So now that I've established the length in the back, it is time to now establish the frame, the face layers in the front. So what I am doing is I am combing the hair on the side straight down, and I am simply using my scissor to sketch in the layers, starting from the outline, working my way up. Now, we're having the layers start off at the jaw length, and then from there they layer on down to the outline. However, I'm cutting from the outline up to the jaw length. So I'll comb the hair down, hold it in my hands, and then basically freehand. You can see me right there, freehanding in those layers to desired length, whether it's the jawline, the lips, the cheekbones, wherever it may be. I'll freehand those layers in to establish the frame, the face layers. Now time to execute the interior layers throughout the haircut. So as you can see, I'm taking a center section in the middle back. I'm now combing that section straight back and holding my fingers in a square shape and cutting in those layers. Those layers that I'm cutting right there will be the guide for the rest of the layers. Now I'm going to execute the left side layers first. So I'm taking another section to the left and simply over directing it to the previous section, and those sections will be cut to the very first section, which again was my guide for the rest of the layers throughout the entire haircut. Now, I'm going to do the left side first. After I do the left side, as you can see right now, I'm going to execute the layers on the right side. Alright, so I blew dry the hair to get it all nice and dry, and now I'm going to go through and cross-check the layers. So what I'm doing right here is I'm simply using my comb to hold the frame the face layers so I can hold them all steady and still and execute that line for the frame the face layers. And I'm doing that on both sides, and then once I complete that, I will just cross-check through the interior layers and make sure that all the layers lay nice and smooth. Alright, so now basically what I'm doing here is just cleaning up the outline, cross-checking the outline to make sure I have a nice precision outline. Now I'm simply just taking sections at the top of the head, combing them straight back, and making sure that the layers on the left side blend and flow continuously with the layers on the right side. We are coming to the end of the haircut. It is now time to clean up the bang / fringe area, and then after that, we will be pretty much all done with the haircut. Come to the end of this layered haircut. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this haircut. If you have any questions or comments, as usual, please don't forget to put them down in the comment section below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And I want to thank you guys so very much again for watching.